The Bible warns us that you must be careful that you don't receive a different Jesus or another Jesus or a different spirit. You see, the Muslims will tell you we believe in Jesus. They don't believe in the same Jesus that we believe in. It's not the same Jesus. You can get even other denominations that believes in Jesus. It's not to say it's the same Jesus. You can get Jehovah's Witnesses. They say we believe in Jesus. It's not the same Jesus. Any person that believes that Jesus is only a prophet, you have got the wrong Jesus. Jesus is the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. He's the Alpha, He's the Omega, He's the beginning, He's the end, He's the I am, He's the everlasting Father, He's the Prince of Peace. The Bible says in Isaiah chapter 9 from verse 6, unto us a child is born. His name shall be called Everlasting Father, Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God. That's the Jesus that you need to serve. That's the Jesus that is the way, the truth, and the life. Don't let tradition, don't let religion, don't let the wrong influence, don't let the lies of the devil teach you another Jesus. Don't receive a different spirit.